Hi, ni hao. So from last video, you probably already logged in and you tried to design different activities. So for this video, we are going to look at what kinds of different assignments we can give students. Is a live game, is a homework, or is a solo game they can challenge their peers. And we are going to look at from the students' interactive side, why this is so fun, what would it look like? I will pretend to be a student in this game. All right, let's start. Different ways for students to practice. One is really exciting, is play live in class. You can play team. So students will sign in as teams. If you click numbers of, for example, if you have 20 students, you can have like 5 teams, 4 students in one team, or 7 teams. Then it will divide it into like 2 to 3 students in one team. You can do classic, which is student is individually competing with each other. Another one is test. Another great thing about this is you can tell if students can attempt once. If it's kind of tricky if you click unlimited, some kids will just continue do it again, putting the same code. And then they want to get a perfect score, which will lagging the whole class. So sometimes I just assigned once for live. And the show answer in game is after each question, you will say validate only, or like if you want them to know it, you can turn on show answers post game. I probably would do it for give students like feedbacks. Give them time. Shuffle questions are a really great option because even if 2 students sit next to each other, they won't be able to see each other and shuffle answer options. And if you click continue, it will give you like a code. Students very clear and easy. Student putting this code and the enter game code. When more people join, just click start. All right. Another thing is you can go back to assign homework. So for example, you sign a due date is 3 days later, make it due at 8:45 p.m., give them 2 days. And you can select directly from here, like Mandarin 6th grade, next. Advanced settings, attempts. Usually for assignments, I give them unlimited attempts for kids who wants to get a perfect score. And the student answers in games. Student answers post games. Power-ups, timer, students see a countdown. Sometimes I don't do this for homework because some students get really nervous if you have a timer there for them. Show lead board, redemption questions. So one thing about it's fun about quizzes is have redemption and like these memes, which make kids really like it. So maybe I choose this one. And you click assign game. All right. This quiz has been assigned to Google Classroom. Let's go to Google Classroom. So 6th grade Google Classroom, you can see exit ticket number in Mandarin. It's already been assigned, right? So they have a mobile link and a web link. No matter the students have a iPad or they're doing it on their Chromebook or computers, they can all use it. All right. Another way for students to do is just practice. What I would like to use this is share a practice link on Google Classroom. You can pick a class you want to assign to, still 6th grade. And then you go to classwork. I really like this is a warm up. For example, this is a do now or warm up. I will say do now numbers. I will add in the link here. So no matter quick or slow, you can give students like 5 minutes. This is a bell work. When they first come into the class, you just pull this up in the Google Classroom, share the screen, tell them, okay, you have 5 minutes. You can do as many times as you want. Go practice it. I will assign it as 10 points. Grade category will be just reading, right? And the due date, you don't have to set a due date topic. You can say online learning and you assign it. So when they come in, if you already formed a routine with them, or even you are doing online learning, you can ask a student to stream, let's see, do now numbers. When they come in, they can do this as a bell work.